Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a strong password which has a mix of special characters, numbers and uppercase and lower cases to help you protect your account from any of those scams and things. So in order to do this, first you will have to head on to your browser, and now to create a password you have to type in Norton password generator and click on enter, and now you can see this first option right here, and now you can click on it. This thing also has a widget, so you can add to your Chrome browser or any of your browser and you can use it. So whenever you need to add a password, it will also pop up in the right side of your uh, browser. So I'll set the character, so mostly all those characters should be almost 8 letters, so I'll maybe just make it 13 letters, and now you can see it all created a strong password, very strong password. You can easily copy this password from here and copy paste it on the website you want to create account on, and voila, that's it for today's video guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.